You can check your Instagram login devices using both the app and the web version. Let's walk through it step by step. First, let's do it on the Instagram app. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right. Now tap on Account Center. Then go to Password and Security. Under the Security Checks section, tap on Where you're logged in. Here, you'll see all the devices that are currently logged into your account. If you have multiple accounts, go ahead and tap on your Instagram account. Now you can check all login devices in the list. If you see any device you don't recognize, just tap on it and log out remotely. Now let's check using a browser. Go to Instagram.com and log into your account. Click on your profile icon to open your profile page. Then go to Settings and tap on Login Activity. Here, you'll see where your account is logged in, along with device names and locations. You can tap on any device to log out or remove access remotely. And that's it. You're all set. Hope this helped. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment if you've got any questions.